Did you ever plan a budget for a date, but at the end it ended up costing you a small fortune? That's like diving into a real estate deal without calculating all the costs. Both scenarios can leave your wallet surprisingly empty. Hey, savvy investors, welcome back to ECMP Studios. I'm Amit Grover, and today we're tackling a critical mistake many make: miscalculating the total costs involved in real estate transactions. Now, just like a date, the sticky price of a property is just the beginning. The real costs come with the details. Understanding the total cost of real estate is essential. It's not just about the purchase price, it includes taxes, renovation expenses, maintenance, and even unforeseen costs like zoning issues or environmental cleanups. Here's how to avoid costly surprises. Number one, detailed budgeting. Break down all potential costs before making a decision. This includes direct costs like purchase price and indirect costs like ongoing maintenance. Number two, professional inspections. Always, and I mean always, have the property inspected by professionals to identify potential problems that could become expensive repairs later. There should not be any skipping of this of any type. Number three, contingency fund. Set aside a contingency fund of at least 10 to 20% of the project's total budget to cover any unexpected expenses. Now, why does this matter? Just as in dating, surprises in the real estate can be delightful or disastrous. By planning financially, you reduce the risk of the latter, ensuring your investment remains profitable. Are you truly ready to handle all the costs of your next real estate venture? Let's talk. Next time, we will discuss the dangers of rushing the site selection process. Just when you think you've found the right spot, rushing could lead you to overlook crucial details. But for now, how well prepared are you to cover all financial aspects of your next property acquisition? Leave a comment below if you have ever underestimated the cost of a property or share tips on budgeting for these investments. And remember to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications to stay updated with the latest from ECMP Studios. For more detailed advice, or if you have any specific financial queries, reach out to us. We are here to help you ensure that your real estate investments are both calculated and risk management as possible. And remember, let's keep learning, keep planning, and as always, keep it real. Stay